Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you for taking the time and clicking on this video. In this video, I would like to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Doesn't really matter actually if it's Android or iPhone. I know the title says that it's only for Android, but it's not. You can do it on your iPhone as well. So let me show you how you can do it, how you can turn off restricted mode. So it's very easy. First thing that you need to do is to tab on library. Please tab on library, please. Here in library, please tab on your profile. Please tap on your profile, and here please select settings. Select settings, and here please select general. Please select general, and here in general please select location. Change the location from your current location to United States. And now we have here the setting to turn restricted mode. Here please tap on here, and now you turned off. Toggle this button, and if you toggle this button, now restricted mode is turned off. So that's pretty much how you do it. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I love creating tutorials, so I really appreciate you if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care.